All right, Rob Frazier here. So this particular video, I wanted to elaborate on an email that I sent out to my list. You're probably thinking, who cares, Rob, right? Anyway, so a lot of folks ask me, what is the plan for 2021, the last month and a half of 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024 with this affiliate marketing? And I'm going to just lay out what I'm doing. And if you come across, just your first time coming across me on YouTube, name's Rob Frazier, spent 12 years in the Marine Corps, racked up a six-figure debt. I paid off that debt through affiliate marketing. I made a good amount of money. I went back down to almost zero again in affiliate marketing, and I'm on my way back up again. So I share that because there's a lot of things that making money online that it's just, there's a lot more to meets the eye sometimes. And there's quite a few people out there who have experienced success in a thing, in one program, and then when that program crashes, you never hear from the person again. It's like that was their one-trick pony. And, you know, if you're going to have any longevity, there's a few basic things that you have to do for long-term success in affiliate marketing. A lot of folks will come, they say, look, man, my back's against the wall. I got this going on, I got that going on, this program crashed. And it's always, I always tell people, look, you have to go back to the basics. Well, what are these basics you're talking about, Rob? Well, making money online consistently revolves around traffic, which is basically getting lots and lots of people to see your stuff, whatever it is you're promoting, whether you're doing e-commerce, Amazon, selling digital products, pushing an MLM, pushing your own product, pushing your own service. You still got to get lots and lots of people to see what you're doing. That's the first thing, traffic. Second thing, list building. Building an email list, building a social media following, building your network, building your connections on Facebook, building your Rolodex. It's all the same thing. So traffic, list building, and then lastly, you can put conversions in there. And conversions is simply bringing a person who does not know you, introducing them to you, introducing them to whatever it is, your business, product, service, whatever, and then having them buy it. I mean, that's really it. Traffic, list building, conversions. TLC. You got to give your business some TLC. TLC, just like, you know, if you're in a relationship, you want some TLC. If you're not getting any TLC, you get a little grumpy. Same thing happens with your business. You don't give your business TLC, it gets a little grumpy. So, all that being said, what am I doing? Last 2021, 2022, and the rest of it. Unless something changes, here's the four main pieces and plans. And I will shout out one of my mentors. This is an email I sent to myself. And because it's my email, sending it to myself, they like to put this little warning here. So anyways, going into it. One of my mentors, he goes by Mac Mills online. He said you could blink your eyes and the money could stop. Talking about making money online. You could blink your eyes and the money could stop. He said that phrase when I was hanging out with him way back in San Diego a few years ago, and it stuck with me because it's so freaking true, especially when it comes to these online programs. You can wake up the very next day and that program that was paying you $1,000 a day is gone. And the thing about money is you get used to the amount of income that you're making. A lot of people like, oh, I'm making more money. I can go finance a new car. I can go buy, you know, you get used to a higher level, quote unquote, of living, or you get used to a higher level of income, but you're just broke at that higher level because it's like, if that money goes away, then what? And I've seen it happen. I've seen a guy, he's making a lot of money in a program. He bought a brand new Corvette, not like a new top of the line one, but a Corvette nonetheless, showing it on social media, showing it all over the place. The program we were both in, it ended up having some problems. It went away. And I've never seen a guy, never seen his Corvette anymore on social media, and I've never seen him anymore on social media. Things like that happen a lot. So I'm about longevity because I do this, and I really want to help people who are following me, because I know this shit is frustrating, especially when you're trying to make money, you got life going on, you got immediate family looking at you sideways because you're not getting a real job, and then you can't get a real job, and then people are getting more unemployment, and then they don't want to get it's just a lot of stuff going on. I'm not going to get into it, but the point is, he said you could blink your eyes and money could stop. 100% true. And so that being said, I got 4 main plans that I have. And in no particular order, I got a traffic plan. That's number 1. The traffic plan is free. So if you're watching this video, I'm going to put all 4 links to these 4 things underneath there. But the traffic plan is free. You can go here and you come down here and you click on Get My Free System. It's created through Leads Leap and a thing called TE Hoopla. I have another video talking about this. I think if I remember, I'll put a little bookmark to it. But this is free. This is something you could take and start promoting, and we have different places for you to do that. You'll learn when you come down here, click on Get My Free System, follow the step 1, step 2. You'll learn exactly what to do. The whole purpose is to use this traffic to get referrals using the same traffic source, to get more credits, to get more traffic, and the more traffic you get, you're going to start making money. You're going to find out your percentage of how many clicks you need to get per day to get sales. That's the bottom line. I need X amount of clicks every single day, and that'll net me cash. You need to find that number. This right here is the way to do that. This right here is free. You need the traffic plan. Number 2, I call it the CPA plan. And when I say CPA, it's called cost per acquisition. Cost per acquisition marketing. You don't have to pay to play. That's the second plan here. So, traffic, CPA plan. The CPA plan are programs you don't have to pay to play. A lot of programs you have to pay first, and then to sell a certain product, you become a reseller or whatever. CPA marketing, you find different products on different places, and you can promote those products, and if somebody buys, you get the commission through a site like Warrior Plus or ClickBank or Nexus. There's quite a few little networks out there that you can plug into. The second piece, my second plan, the CPA plan, will teach you how to do CPA marketing. It's created by a guy named George Wickens. The second piece of it is a traffic boot camp. Again, free. You could get started for free and promote it and make money. In fact, if you go through the traffic boot camp in the second part of the CPA funnel, you'll get $20 just for completing the traffic boot camp. So why not add that to your portfolio? So that's the second plan. So we got traffic. We got, because also, I will say this, not everyone's going to want to join your biz op. Not everyone's going to want to join a CPA funnel. You see what I'm saying? But I promote all of these to my list, but not everyone's going to want to do CPA. Not everyone's going to want to do traffic. Don't ask me why, but some people are just, I'm not into it. Okay, fine. The third piece is my instant cash strategy. I have it down here, instant cash strategy. Consists of 2 programs, Exodus Elite and Power Lead System. It's the business and marketing system together. Reason I have this here is you need something that pays you chunky commissions instantly. If you are waiting, so I like the CPA funnel, yes. However, when you make a sale through the CPA funnel, it's going to take at least 30 days to get that money to you. And with the network that the CPA funnel is hosted on, I'm going to just click off here. I clicked on something. The network that CPA funnel is hosted on, it's going to be a 30-day turnaround. So instead of waiting 30 days to get a $6 or a $50 or a $100 commission, why not add something to your portfolio that pays you instantly up front? Because that's how you're going to get momentum. You get paid a $100 bill, You take 50 of that, you put it into traffic, you put 50 in your pocket, and that will allow you to crawl out of this thing super fast. With this is a mid to high ticket sales funnel. This is a pay to play. However, you get my mentoring and you'll get positioned to earn anywhere from $100 to $2,000 paid instantly. And in fact, the marketing system we're using, Power Lead System, just adopted a daily paying method payout as well. So when you add that to the mix and you start getting paid $100, $400, $500, $1,000 commissions instantly, that will change your whole situation. That will make it easier to get more traffic to this whole system. And also you can take a part of that, and what I do is I take a percentage of the money that I make and I put it into my crypto plan, which is the very last plan, crypto accumulation plan. Crypto accumulation, trading, it's all kind of the same deal. The money I make in Instant Cash program, 10% off the top goes into my crypto. Now, when I say my crypto, 5%, so say I make $1,000. I take 100, and this is going into my crypto fund. So that 100, I'll take 50, I'll put it into a passive program. In this case, you can see what the program is on the screen. For now, this is the program that I'm using. And the other 50 goes into my personal trading account. So if something happens to this program, I still have a matching amount in my personal trading account. And the reason I do this is because I don't want to sit in front of a computer all day. I trade a little bit, I have a passive program going, and I have other things going. So that being said, it's really only 4 pieces. They each have, you know, multiple little programs within them, but that's basically it. And what I promote on the front end is this traffic source. So it's really just traffic, my traffic plan, my CPA plan. Again, traffic plan, CPA plan are free. The route, the journey, if you're watching this and you're broke, join a traffic plan, join a CPA plan, and you take that CPA funnel and you promote it with these programs you're going to join on a traffic plan. You just keep doing that until you start getting some income. Once some income comes in, you take that money, you get positioned in Exodus. As of now, that's our instant cash paying program, Exodus and Power Lead System. Then that becomes your bulky back end. We all like bulky back ends, right? We got to give our business some TLC so we can get that bulky back end that we can play with, right? So Exodus and Power Lead System is that bulky back end, and then on top of that, you just scrape a little bit off the top, dunk it over here into the crypto trading program. Half, you know, you make $100. You take $10, 5 goes into your passive opportunity, 5 goes in your personal trading account. I make $2,000, I take 200, 100 goes into my passive crypto program, 100 goes into my personal trading account, and I just follow that plan. That's the plan I follow. I have a money plan. If you're in debt, I have it calculated out. Look, I can get you out of that debt just by following my percentages. I have a little Excel spreadsheet. If you're interested and you join me in one of these programs, I'll send it to you. That you could take, all right, I made $1,000. How do I break that down? You take X percentage, you put it into traffic. You take X percentage and you set it aside for Uncle Sam. You take X percentage and you put it into your trading. You take X percentage and you put it into a passive program. And you follow that, and mathematically, you're going to crawl your way out of debt no matter how much you're in debt. So that being said, Rob Frazier here, wrapping this video up. Following that plan is what allowed me to pay off a 6-figure debt in 9 months and still buy traffic for my business and live. That being said, links are below. Name's Rob Frazier. We'll see you next video. Peace!